How to fix messages are missing on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's start right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Messenger to the latest version. Then open up Messenger on your device. Now tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. Then simply go to settings. Now simply scroll down. Now tap on privacy and safety. Now tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Now go to message storage. Now simply tap on turn on secure storage. Now enter the messenger pin. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.